Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to sell AI art on Etsy, step by step. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, the AI generator that we will be using for today's video is called Leonardo.ai, which is able to produce amazing results as you can see here on their recent creations. You can see the different outputs that the users of Leonardo AI has produced. We're also going to be using Canva to put together our output and then use Printify to create our AI design or AI product and then upload it to Etsy store over here. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to have to do is go to Leonardo over here and click on image generation over here, which would allow us to start generating our images. Now, there are a lot of different outputs or different prompts that you could use to generate amazing AI art. That, as you can see here, for example, we have our line over here. Now, if you don't have any idea of what type of prompt that you should go with, we could go back to Leonardo AI over here, their homepage, and you can look through the different creations over here that the users have created, and you can simply copy their prompt. For example, we have this lighthouse over here. We could open this, and you could copy their prompt by simply looking through the details over here, and you could also see the model that they have used. So let's go and copy this prompt over here. I simply copied this and go back to our image generation over here, change the model to the same one. The person used the Leonardo division over here. Then simply paste your output over here, just like that. Paste the prompt that the person has used to create the output that we saw earlier. And you can change the topic or change the model over here. Instead of a lighthouse, as you can see, we could change it to a sports bike. Sports bike, just like that. And then you can simply click on generate, and it's going to generate an output that is a sports bike as a topic, but the same style as the one we saw earlier, the one that we checked out and used as a basis for our prompt. Now you can do that method to generate amazing results right away without stressing yourself out on what type of prompt that you should generate to create amazing results. You can simply go to the community preview or like the community showcase and use them as a way to generate you amazing results. And as you can see here, right off the bat, we were able to produce amazing AI generated output. So I think the best one out of all of this is this one over here, this one, and this one. I like all of them, but I'm going to go with this one over here. So what you're going to need to do to download this is simply click on download image over here. Or you could also make it HD smooth upscaler over here. You could make an HD crisp upscaler, and you could help and try and make it more high quality. We could try and do the HD smooth upscaler over here so that we have a higher quality of image. And let's see, we could also remove the background if you would like to do that. Now, I think in general you would like to remove the background instead because we will be using Printify to create our products with AI art. So let's try and remove our background after this. We're simply going to wait and give it some time to work its magic. Now, while waiting for this to process, we're going to go to our Printify over here, or Canva first, and we're going to select our product that we're going to create our AI art on or put our AI art on. So for example, I would like to put my AI art on, for example, I would like to put it on a bag. Let's go and click on bags over here. Let's see the different options that we have for a bag. We have your tote bags over here. Let's say I would like to create it for this design over here. Simply click on the backpack over here. We have our products over here. Simply click on start designing on one of those print providers. Then we could go here, click on create design for now. Go to square. The size of the canvas is completely up to you. I'm just going to use a square for now or a 1x1. And as you can see, this is our backpack over here. You can see the different parts over here: pocket front, front pocket flap. You can see the preview over here of what you're going to create or where you're going to put it, just like this. And you have your top backpack part here. So we're going to wait for this. It's still working on our background over here. It's removing the background so we can put it effectively on our Printify over here. We could also use Canva to remove the background for us as well, but let's wait for this one. While waiting again, we're going to add like details over here. Go to text. Let's look for a very good style over here. Maybe this one. Could put it in our section over here. Then we could change the context to sports and make it a bit longer, just like that. Let's see. I don't think this is going to work with this type of font, so we're going to check out another font again. I'm going to delete this for now. Maybe this one over here, and we're going to change the text to sports bike. Sports, and let's change this one to bike, just like that. And then we're going to wait for this one. It's still working on it, so it's going to take a while, I think. I don't know why it's taking longer than it should, but let's give it some time and let's wait for it. Before we could proceed, we would need to have our AI image here to proceed. Now I think it's taking too long, so we're simply going to download it as is. So simply click on this download option over here, which would allow you to download your output over here. Now going back to our Canva over here, we're simply going to put our photo over here right away, our AI designed output, and we're going to use Canva instead to remove the background for our output over here by simply clicking on edit photo. Now this feature is for a premium version of Canva, so you could use other software or other website to remove the background for you, but we're going to use this one for now. And we're simply going to enlarge in this, and just like that, we could put our font behind instead of the front. So we're going to select our image, text over here, enlargen it a bit, just like that. And now we have our very simple sports bike design over here. We could put this lower, or rather make this smaller so that we could read our sports bike text better over here, just like that. Make it centered, just like that. Then simply click on share, download, and turn into a transparent background. Download once again, then go back to our Printify over here, and we're going to upload our stuff over here. Now we're going to upload here. You can choose wherever application you would like to put the design on. Usually it would show over here on the different options, but as you can see, this is our output over here, just like that. We're going to put it on one area for now, and we could click on preview, and we could see a preview of our product over here. As you can see, we're going to see like a mock-up, and this is our design over here. Now after being satisfied your design with the location, you can simply click on save product, which would allow us to be redirected to this page over here, where we can manage the different details. Like you could choose the title and description over here. You could change the title over here, like let's say a backpack, or like sports bike backpack, and you could enter some details over here, add any details that you want. You could edit the different paragraph formatting over here, and you could also add a size table description over here if you would like, or metric, depending on how you would like it to be. There's also price and variance over here. You could edit the prices over here if you would like to edit the price, and you can simply edit or connect a store over here to accomplish publishing settings over here. By clicking on connect a store, you will be redirected to this section. Simply click on add new store, and then you're simply going to select Etsy over here. By connecting to Etsy, you're going to have to log into your Etsy account through this page over here. And after connecting your account, you will be able to start selling your product directly to Etsy with your permission. You can import the products right away after you create them. And that's it, guys. That's how you could use Leonardo AI to create you amazing AI art that you could sell in Etsy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.